Good evening, everyone. So I was trying to install the tidyverse package in my R environment, and I got an error that it's actually showing me a warning that unable to access the index for repository this, and a few of the packages were installed, but few were not installed, which are necessary for me to do my work. You can see here like there are so many packages those are necessary for working in R, and you can see here tidyverse is also not installed actually. So I believe there is a problem with the version. So what I did is okay, so I first tried loading the library tidyverse. You can see here that there is it's saying that there is no package of tidyverse available, because you can see that actually it has not been installed. Okay, so then I checked the version of my R that is installed in my RENV, and the version is actually 3.6.1. And if you go and check what are the current versions that are available for R, as of now you can see that it is 4.5.1. Okay, so what I have to do now is what I can try is I can try to upgrade my R version. So let's go and do that. So I will go to Anaconda PowerShell prompt, and let me go to let me see all my environments. So these are the environments that I am having in my Anaconda in my Anaconda, and I need to go to that particular environment that um, where I have installed R. So this is the one. So I will just activate that particular environment, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to update my R version. So using conda-forge, I will be installing 4.3, and I will let my Jupyter kernel also to know that I have updated the R environment. Okay, so before doing this, I just want to close this, and once I complete this, I will again restart my Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so then you can go ahead and press Y and enter. So you need to wait for a while. It is going to take a while. It's not going to be immediate, because a lot of packages are going to be installed, and there are a lot of processes that is going to happen. And most of you also might be thinking that there was a different version that was currently there in that particular environment. I did not uninstall it, but I installed the new one. So I believe that the newer version that I'm going to install is basically overwriting the older one. So it's not going to be a problem. Let's check how the newer version works and whether it solves our problem or not. Okay, so it's done. let's go back to Jupyter Notebook and see that whether everything is working now. Okay, so let's go back to the R environment that I am currently using for doing all my R related tasks, and this is the particular environment where I upgraded my R version. So I'll go to the Jupyter Notebook that I was using earlier to install the tidyverse package, and let's try installing it back. Yes, so now you can see that the installation has been successful. So let's try loading it, and let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so most of the necessary packages got downloaded. There were a few related conflicts, but that's okay. And so I'd also like to show you the current version now, and you can see that the new version, R version 4.3.3, has been installed and currently working in my Jupyter Notebook. So that's it for the today's video. Do not worry about a few of the conflicts. You can see that all the necessary packages, those are required, like dplyr, ggplot2, and others have been installed. So you do not have to worry for only these two conflicts here. So I believe this video helps. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.